Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Pushing the limits of luxury travel into a new era. The 2027 PREVOST exclusive motorhomes are the epitome of style and innovation. Here, PREVOST, a brand known for its sturdy, luxurious coach chassis, is envisioned as the integrated architect of an unmatched mobile living experience rather than merely a base. For the most discriminating tourists, this collection is poised to alter expectations by fusing state-of-the-art technology with classic design ideas. The 2027 PREVOST exclusive motorhomes external design would be a brilliant combination of intimidating elegance and aerodynamic efficiency. Using cutting-edge, lightweight composite materials, the bodywork would probably have smooth shapes, building on PREVOST's well-established reputation for structural integrity. Anticipate an elegant paint job that shimmers in any light, perhaps featuring multiple layers of metallic or pearlescent elements. Subtle integration of characteristic PREVOST design cues, like a redesigned grille or distinctive LED lighting signatures that exude prestige and presence, would be possible. Large, panoramic windows would provide expansive views while keeping a smooth, continuous profile. They might even use smart glass technology for customizable transparency and privacy. With an innovative adjustable air suspension system that guarantees comfort on any terrain, the chassis itself would be designed for an incredibly stable and smooth ride. The innovation and the exclusive really show up inside. A tribute to custom craftsmanship, every 2027 PREVOST exclusive motorhome would be a highly customized design. Visitors would enter a carefully planned area that probably had a selection of high-end materials like hand-stitched Italian leathers, glossy natural stone, rich mahogany veneers, and specially made metal accents. With clever space usage that maximizes comfort and utility, the layout would be tailored for both smooth functionality and opulent lifestyle. Cutting-edge smart home technology, either by voice commands or user-friendly touchscreens, will be effortlessly incorporated. Everything would be controlled by this system, including energy management, sophisticated security features, entertainment, lighting, and climate control. With its high-end integrated equipment, generous counter space, and clever storage options, the kitchen would be the envy of any gourmet chef. With luxurious, custom-sized mattresses, lots of closet space, and ensuite bathrooms that rival those found in upscale hotel suites, complete with upscale fixtures and finishes, the sleeping quarters would be built as private havens. The technology and powertrain are also included in the innovation category. A highly effective, potent, and silent drivetrain, possibly an advanced diesel, a complex hybrid, or even a totally electric system, with a significant range and reliable performance for lengthy trips would probably be the outcome of PREVOST's dedication to cutting-edge engineering. Autonomous driving and other advanced driver assistance technologies would improve safety and lessen driver fatigue. Additionally, integrated cutting-edge connectivity, such as fast satellite internet and sophisticated navigation systems, would guarantee that residents stay informed and connected. Long stretches of off-grid living would be possible with strong water and waste management systems and a large solar power generation array, making these motorhomes genuinely self-sufficient. More than just a car, the 2026 PREVOST exclusive motorhomes are mobile estates made for people who want the utmost in luxury travel, individualized style, and cutting-edge technology. They represent a concept in which style and innovation come together to provide an unmatched mobile home.